Hello everyone, my name is Honey Grace Sisles and welcome to this video lesson on Microsoft Office 365. Today I will guide you step by step on how to access, use, and explore the essential application like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Let's get started. First, you need to open your preferred web browser like Google Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. And mine, I choose Google. And in the search bar type, you need to type the Microsoft Office 365, that's one, and you need to press enter. Okay, I'm so sorry. Microsoft 365, that's one. And look for the Microsoft Office website. That's one, Microsoft 365 Copilot. Usually the first link and click it and you will be directed in the Office 365 homepage and you just have to wait. And here you can either sign in if you already have a Microsoft account or create a free account. And if you don't have one, make sure to use a valid email address to complete the registration process. And here, after clicking sign in, you will be redirected to this one, entering your email ad and password associated with your Microsoft account. If you are creating a new account, you just follow the instruction to verify your email. So once logged in, you will see the Office 365 dashboard with all the application available like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, and OneNote. And this dashboard is your control center for all the productivity tools. And on the left side of the dashboard, you can see a list of application and let's explore them briefly. Word is for creating documents, Excel is for spreadsheet and data analysis, PowerPoint is for presentation, Outlook is for email management, OneDrive for cloud storage, Themes for communication and collaboration, and OneNote for digital notes. You can also see recent documents, shared files, and favorites in the middle of the screen. This one, and this makes it easy to access your work quickly. And first, let's start with the Microsoft Word. You just have to click the Word icon and choose new blank document. And for this one, it's just loading, so we'll just have to wait. Okay, so you need to create blank document for this and wait to redirect the loading. So in creating a Microsoft Word, it's just the same on the offline type. So here are some basic of this. You need to typing test. You just have to find the insertion. So you just click anywhere on the blank page and start typing. So I'm just gonna write my name. Primary phrase is less. And when formatting text, you just use the toolbar. There's one at the top to change the font style, size, color, and alignment. So, for example, I'm just gonna highlight my name, and for example, I prefer to use Time New Roman, and the font size would be 11. So you just have to use the toolbar. And inserting object, you just have to click the insert tab to add pictures, tables, shapes, or links. And when you're saving your file, you just have to click the file. And if you want to share, you can share it. If you want to export, you can download this PDF, download this PDF with documents as ODT or export to Kindle. And you can also share the document with others by clicking share and entering their email ad. And this allows real-time collaboration. You can share with people or you can just copy this link or you just copy this document and share it. So that one. And you can also manage the access. And next would be Microsoft Excel. We just have to go back here or you just have to press this one and find the Microsoft Excel and we'll just have to wait to redirect it to it. Okay. So next, open Excel, just like what we did to Microsoft Word. You just have to create blank workbook for this one. And here's what we can do. When entering a data, you just click any cell and type. For example, I'm gonna type 21, and each cell can hold numbers, text, or formulas. For example, I'm gonna type my name. Okay. It can hold text and numbers or formulas. And using formulas, you just simply type or use simple formulas. Like, for example, you just begin with equal and type sum. Sum means just add. And you just have to sum what type of cell. For example, I'm gonna put here 21 and I'm gonna erase it to 22. Just for in case. So equal sum, then open and close parentheses. First, what cell is this one? So A1 and colon and B1. Okay, B1. So and it and done. So 21 plus 22 is equals to 43 by simple just like, and it will give you the sum automatically. So when creating a chart, you just select your data, go to insert tab and choose a chart type like column or pie chart. This one you just have to choose what do you prefer. And when formatting cells, you just change text alignment, font size, colors, and border to make your spreadsheet clear and easy to read, just like what we did on Microsoft Word. So by simple just like that, Excel is excellent for organizing data, performing calculation, and visualizing information. And this is what teachers use for when they are computing their grades of their students. So next up, we'll just have to click PowerPoint presentation. It is very helpful in education because this is where we create our presentation, our PowerPoint presentation, when we present a discussion to our students. So same what we did on Microsoft Word and Excel, you just have to create blank presentation and select a new blank. And here's how to create this. So for example, these are the slides. And when you have to insert a slide or when you want to add new slide, you just have to click the insert. Okay, we'll just have to wait because it's kind of loading. Okay, for example, I'm gonna type my name. Honey erase is less. Okay, that one. So you have to insert a new slide and the slide will come up. So you can also choose a layout if you want. And in adding content, you can insert text, images, icons, and shape to communicate your ideas. And this is what I said earlier for the layout if you want. Or you can also do your layout. So slideshow mode, you just have to click the slideshow to view your presentation as your audience will see it. You can view it from current slide or from beginning or presenter view. And PowerPoint is ideal for visual storytelling and presenting information effectively. And next up, you can have the OneDrive. OneDrive is this one. So in OneDrive, it saves your documents in the cloud. You can access them from any device and share them with others. These are all the presentations that we've made. You just have to search it, or if there are a lot of presentations, you just simply type it in the search bar. So you can also share it with your classmates or members when you are doing an activity for them to have an access. We can also have a chat or what we call Teams. So Teams is like a Google Meet or Zoom where all of you are in one screen so that all of you have an access. You can collaborate, you can communicate. It's like a face to face. So Teams like chat, hold meetings, and collaborate on documents in real time. You just have to send a link for them to access. And so that concludes our detailed guide to Microsoft Office 365. My name is Honey Grace Sisles, and I hope this video helps you get started with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and the collaboration tool. Explore this application, practice regularly, and enjoy learning since this is very helpful as we become a future teacher. Thank you for watching.